Hi my dear friends, today also I brought another luxury gift set for you. This is also a very nice and interesting one. I think you can see this small video clip and identify what is inside it. This one also amazing. I believe that you will love this one also. So, my dear friends, I like to give you a little description about this one. So, let's go to see what is inside it. This one also a nice one. Gift for women spa basket, Lavender Spa Gift Basket. 16 pieces self-care package for women, mom, wife, girlfriend, and all of you. This is also a limited time deal, 33 US dollars. About this item, it is a relaxation spa gift basket, 16 pieces luxurious gift set, the perfect gift for all occasions, thoughtful combinations, quality gift packaging, a very nice one. Look at these pictures also, you can identify a number of things are available inside it. I believe that you will love this one. This is a wonderful gift if you buy a one. My dear friends, go to the channel description and go to the link in my channel description and buy a one for your loved one. This one also 6 to 9 hour keep cold, 3 to 6 hour keep warm. A nice one. Look at this warm gift, soft and comfortable. So perfect gift for any occasion. I believe that this is very interesting. So my dear friends, my request is you to buy a one and be a good partner with me. So my dear friends, this gift for women spa basket specially for you. Buy a one and be a very happy one. Thank you for watching my video. Have a nice day.